Hi everyone, this is Miriam Feyga from Shiloh. I'm an artist, I'm a photographer and jewelry maker, and high holidays in Israel is the time when I can make money for my business by selling my creations, and this needs a lot of energy and schlepping, carrying heavy things, and working physically. So often I feel destroyed by this kind of work. I've got some health issues and trauma, so I have to really take care of my body, which I try in the mornings by exercising and eating healthy food. But throughout the day, when I'm at the sale, sometimes it's a real torture because it's physical work. And one of the special issues is staying all the time at the same place without movement. Sometimes in the middle of the day, by the end of the day, I feel really crippled. And one of the miracles of my life is the opportunity to get tune-ups from Dr. Azriel Gordon, a chiropractor who has a clinic in Shiloh. He's my neighbor. And I've been his client for 2 years, and it's a real blessing in my life because normally his life credo is to support health and life, but sometimes people are in critical situations. So normally I visit him once a week and I feel perfect, but at the times of stress and extra physical work, it's a shame to say, but I don't want to leave. So at the end of the day, for the last 2 days, I've been visiting him for a tune-up of 30 minutes plus 10 minutes using special gadgets at his clinic, which enhance the life experience. And I have to really express my gratitude to Dr. Azriel Gordon, who lets the hope enter my life again. Because when you feel crippled and not able to bear the suffering, it leaves no hope that you can go on like that. But having a tune-up scheduled at night, you know that the relief will come. So today, like yesterday and many times before, I have received my tune-up, and it's really releasing all over the body. Dr. Gordon uses different techniques, massage, classical, chiropractic release techniques, palm vibrating, and tapping, which I've personally acquired. I'm using this technique for myself and for the members of my family. Tapping, for example. And after the tune-up, there's a possibility to use his vibration machine to apply it to different parts of your body. Normally, you're just standing on a platform and the machine is vibrating on the platform. But intuitively, I use it in different directions. I can bend my body sideways and down and sit on it and apply vibration to my arms because I've been suffering from pain in every part of my body. And after this experience, I feel totally renewed. I mean, my body still remembers the pain. It's like a puncture, but there is a huge difference, really. I'm trying to remember the word, an abyss between that state of despair and that kind of revival that you go through after the tune-up. So if you are in the area, you're really welcome to Dr. Azriel Gordon's clinic. And if you want to find more information about his life credo, visit his Facebook page and look up for his name, Azriel Gordon, on YouTube, and you will easily find those media materials that I've created for him, because it's an honor to be his assistant, spreading the word about the awesome work that he does, reviving people, giving them hope, giving them strength, and the information about how to live their life healthy, strong, and long.